guys, and in this video let's deal with this question from 2B of maths, where find the equation of circle with center. So the given center is -2, 3, cutting a chord length of 2 units on the given equation. So they have given the center of the circle, which is -2, 3. Okay, so let us write down here what is the center of the circle. Where C, let's consider the center as h, k. Okay, so the center is h, k, which is nothing but -2, 3. Clear? Now, and what else? Cutting a chord length. So they have given the chord length, guys. So the given chord length, or the length of the chord, which is nothing but 2 units. Okay, on the given equation. So this is the given equation. The equation is 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is the given equation. Now we should find out the equation of the circle from this given data. So first of all, what do we do is find the so they have mentioned the chord length, right? Chord length is of 2 units. So what is the formula of the length of the chord in a circle? Which is nothing but 2 root r square minus d square. Okay, so from the given question, what is the length of the chord? It's 2 units, right? So let's write down here 2. Clear? Now just cancel 2 and 2 from the both sides. This becomes r square minus d square, which is equals to 1. Now we should find out the d value. So what is the d in the given? So r means radius and d means the distance from the circle to the perpendicular, perpendicular to the distance from the circle to the perpendicular distance of a circle. So d means, d is nothing but the distance. Okay, so d is equals to distance from the perpendicular to the center of the circle. So here there is a formula for d, distance, which is nothing but ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by root of a square plus b square. Okay, so ax1 plus by1 plus c whole divided by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula of the d, distance. Okay, now let's consider a, b, c. So from this equation, let a be 3, b be 4, c be 4. Okay, a, b, c, and x1 and y1, let's consider -2 as x1 and 3 as y1. Clear? Now d, distance is nothing but, so substitute these values in the given formula. So a means 3, right? So 3 into x1 means -2 plus 4 into y1 means 3 plus 4 whole divided by root of a square 3 square plus 4 square. Clear? Which is nothing but 2. 3 2 is -6, right? 3 2 is 6, right? So then -6 plus 12 plus 4 whole divided by 9 plus 16, 25, root 25. Clear? Now what you do? Let's write it down. So solve this one with this nothing but mode of this is plus 6 plus 4, how much? 10 whole divided by root 25. Root 25, what is the square root of 25? Which is nothing but 5. Okay, so guys, here there is a modulus, so it's nothing but if you add plus or minus, so the module is same, it won't go. So 10 divided by 5, how much? So we can take this off. So 5 times 1, 5 times 2, which is nothing but 2. Clear? So therefore d is equals to 2, the distance is equals to 2. Okay, so now substitute the d value over here, which is nothing but r square minus d means 2, so 2 square, which is equals to 1. Okay, then r square minus 2 square, what is 2 square? It's 4 equals to 1, where r square equals to 5. Clear? Then r equals to root 5, because square taken to the other side, this becomes root 5. Now we should find out. Okay, so now what should we find out right now? We are done with this. Now find the equation of the circle. Now here comes the main part. So we should find out the equation of the circle. So there is a formula for this to find out the equation of the circle. The formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, which is equals to r square. Okay, so x minus h. So x minus h. What is the h value? So we consider this one, okay, minus 2 comma 3 as h comma k values, right? So h, substitute h minus 2 in the h value, h variable, and substitute k means 3 in the y value, k variable, sorry, okay. Okay, so plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, which is equals to r square. So r square, where r is nothing but 5, so let's get into this after some time, okay. So x plus 2 whole square means nothing but a plus b whole square, which is nothing but a square plus 2b square plus 2ab plus a square, this is a 9 square, 6 into minus 2ab r square. So what is the value of r? R is nothing but root 5, so whole square is r square, okay. R is nothing but root 5, so root 5 whole square. Now square root get cancelled. Now we can just list it out like this: x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9, how much? 13. So take this 5 to the other side, this becomes plus 13. Take this 5 to the other side, this becomes minus 5. So 13 minus 5, which is nothing but 8, okay, which gives us 8, which is equals to 0. Okay, take this 5 to the other side, so 9 plus 4 is 13, we took that 5 to the other side, this becomes minus, so it's 13 minus 5 is 8, so therefore 8. So therefore the equation of the circle from the given data is this, okay. So guys, in this question, the main 3 formulas that should be learned is, first one, let us revise once again, that's it. So first one is, first one is we should find out the centers. Consider this one as x1 and y1. So the first one is you find out the chord, and after finding the d value, we should find out the d value from this, and after finding out the d value, you write the equation of the circle, equation of the circle. So the formula for this is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Substitute all the values in this, and therefore we will be getting a equation for the circle, okay. Thank you for watching this one.